Hey everyone, it's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're going to open up this box and show you guys Hayward's 808 kit for their 4-wheel cleaner. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to go over Hayward's 808 kit. This is their 4-wheel cleaner. Works for the Aquanaut 400, 450, as well as the Poolvergnugen 4-wheel. So this is an actual full body lower rebuild kit. So I'm going to open this up and just kind of show you guys what comes included. Obviously, this box is a little beat up, so your box won't arrive looking like this, but I'm just going to open this up and show you guys what's inside. So go ahead and drop this for you. So first thing you're going to normally see on the bottom will be like a bag of the extra inlets for you. So you're going to have your lower, the suction inlets on the bottom. So they give you the large and the small included. The medium's already installed on the kit. It's the most common item, so you don't really need to swap that out. We are going to have another video on how to do all that. So if you guys want, we'll actually put that down below in the link in the description for you. So go ahead and check that out. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys this. So again, they give you 2 different color ones for large and for small. And then of course, here is the animal of the actual lower body kit. So as you guys can tell, it's pretty raw. It doesn't come with a top, doesn't have your wheels, but it does have basically every internal mechanism that you guys need to get this cleaner back up and running. So really good choice if you guys just want extra parts around for your cleaner. Otherwise, if you want to do a full swap, it's really easy. Again, we're going to have another video on that one for you guys in the link in the description, so you guys can check that out. But for today, it's pretty straightforward. It's just this lower body. And then, like I said, they normally have a rubber band around your turbine, because for those of you guys that have this cleaner, understand that these vanes actually will fall out of the turbine. So they like to keep that rubber band. So obviously before you guys put it together, you want to cut that off. But pretty much just want to show you guys what comes in it. And again, if you guys want to see more of the rebuilding and actually putting this thing into action, check out the links in the description. Please make sure that you guys hit that like button, subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way this year. So please, we appreciate it. And again, Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.